All right, we're going to make some money today. We're going to make a lot of money today. We're going to talk about a hole in your bucket where your money's going, and it's called lead follow-up. All right, lead follow-up. Here's the thing. You guys are grinding, just crushing the lead gen part of it. Love it. Awesome. Okay, you're in there, you're scheduled, you're working hard, getting that lead gen in, and it's working. It's working. You're turning up somebody who says, you know what, I'm in, I'm thinking about it, maybe, can you call me tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, whatever, right? That is a lead. That is a good lead. And you get it and you scribble it down and you post a note and you stick it up on your computer there so you remember. You write it into your calendar book. You type it into your CRM. You do all that, and then somehow you miss it. The time comes and goes, right? Okay, and the only reason why you know is you come in the morning, you check the hot sheet like you're supposed to, and there it is. Oh my God, Joe listed with somebody else. I forgot to follow up with him. Okay, don't do that. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to create in your schedule time block, right? Time block lead follow up. Okay. Important, beep. Remember this. This is not in lieu. You're not taking away from your lead gen time. You're adding to it. You're pulling from somewhere else to create this time for lead follow-up, right? You got to keep that lead gen going, but you also got to have lead follow-up. So pull that time somewhere else, okay? In the morning when you first start, right before lunch, right after lunch, and right before you go home. That's when you're going to do your lead follow-up. So do it that way. Do it that way over time, and let me know how those results work. You got this. Here we go. Let's get it.